Ellie, are you ready for a dog IQ test? Good luck. Test 1, the towel test. We're doing more than a towel because you're already smart. You get a giant blanket. You're sitting on the top, on the blanket. You're too smart. You already trapped it. Get it off of you. What are you doing? Are you a cat? Place a towel over your dog's head. Okay, get free, Ellie. This task will provide insight into your dog's ability to solve problems. Give your dog 3 points if he figures out how to free himself in under 15 seconds, 2 points if it takes 15 to 30 seconds, and 1 point if it takes more than 30 seconds. We gave her one that's too hard, now she's gonna be down. Come on, Ellie. Get out! Come, you can do it! You get a glove! No, she doesn't. Oh no, Ellie, you're dumb! You stuck? She just gave up. Come on, Ellie! Go! Come, Ellie! No, poor girl. Let's do it with the towel. Let's figure out the problem solving. Let me give you a clue. Oh wait, I can't even find my way in. Oh God.
Try to bite you.
Yeah, look, I got you, I got you, I got you. I saw your paw. Come out. Come, Ellie. Ah! Oh no. Come out, come out, come out, come out. Yay! Yay, Ellie! Yay! You didn't do very good, but I think you did good. That was a hard one. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Get out! Come, Ellie! Good girl. Easy. Good girl. You're smart. Just not on level hard. Test 2. Hidden treat test. Place a treat on the floor and place a towel over it. You're gonna have to find it under the towel. That's your hint. Okay! You can have the treat. Get it! It's kind of far in. Whoops. Give your dog 3 points if he takes under 15 seconds, 2 points if it takes 15 to 60 seconds, and 1 point if it takes more than 60 seconds. Can't even find it yet? Oh yeah, get it now. Get it out, Ellie. Oh no. Get it out. I think the towel's too big again. Hard mode. Where is it? Oh my gosh. It's like, I think I can see it. It's like right there. Yeah, you got it! Yay! Woohoo! You wanna try on easy mode now? Okay, there's no more. Yeah. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2, 3. Okay! Did she just fold it up? Oh, she got it. Good girl. Easy mode done. Oh my gosh, can you not eat? Do you need water? Go get some water. Test 3. Which cup? Alright, you can do it, Ellie. Maybe. Oh, look at you smiling. Ready? Place 2 or 3 empty cups upside down in a row. While your pup watches, place the treat under one of the containers. Distract him for a few seconds before allowing him to look for the treat. Alright. Are you distracted enough? Yeah? Okay. Oh. Give him 3 points if he goes straight to the container hiding the treat, 2 if he checks one empty container before finding the right one, and 1 point if he checks both wrong containers before locating the treat. Finally, she got the right cup. Now can you knock it over? You want help now? You got it out. Good girl. Where's it gone? Okay. Yes, good girl. Test 4. Problem solving. Under a piece of furniture, low enough to the ground that only your dog's paw will fit, place the treat or dog food within paw's reach. Back up! Ah! That's my face. Back up, Ellie. Okay. Okay. Get it. Give your dog 3 points if it takes him under a minute to reach for the treat using only his paw. If he tries to fit his head into space first or uses his nose and paws, give him 2 points. Come on. Okay. I don't have it. Yeah. Well, oh, there you go. You got your paw. Get it, Ellie.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Get it. Ellie, go on. I think you got it. It's too far. You want me to move it closer? You want help? You want help? Okay. Let's move it closer. You can get it. Get it. Okay. Look, you're touching it. Yeah, good girl. All right. Test 5. Beyond the barrier. Look, Ellie. Show your dog a treat through a slit in a large cardboard barricade that is too high to be jumped by the dog, and the slit itself is too narrow for the dog to fit through. Encourage your dog to get the treat for exactly 60 seconds, and then stop. No, she's dumb. Okay. Get it. Go get it. Go get the treat, Ellie. Come on. Okay. Oh, poor baby Ellie. You can't get through. What are you going to do? Now she's blocking off. Ellie, go get it. Yes, go on. Yeah, you can go get it. Oh, she almost went around. Give your dog 3 points if he takes 30 seconds or less to figure out he needs to walk around the barrier to get the treat. If he takes longer than 30 seconds, give him 2 points, and give him 1 point if he tries to climb through the window or bulldoze his way through the barrier instead of going around. Okay. No. Ellie, we need to work on your problem solving skills. Ellie, okay. Go get it. Go on. Go get it. Okay. Okay. She sees you going over, she's gonna go over. Ellie, okay. Oh my gosh. Now she's blocked it off. Yeah. Here, wait. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. There you go. I just had it blocked off, didn't I? That's all. I'm just kidding. You got one.
Yay!
Yay! Good girl. Now let's see if she does it again. Look, Ellie, a treat. Look. Look there. See? Okay. Okay, get it. There, you learned your lesson. Good girl. Now you're smart. You still get 1 point. Yay! You did good. High five. High five. Yeah. The results. If your dog gets 13 to 15 points, your dog is a genius. 9 to 12 points, your dog's not quite Einstein, but he's still a smart cookie. 5 to 8 points, your dog won't make it to Harvard, but he has potential. 1 to 4 points, your dog might need some help figuring things out and getting things done. You got 5 to 8 points, you have potential, that's okay. And Ellie, under easy mode, you're a genius! You're a genius! You're at 15, alright! Yeah, yeah! You just want to go outside. Go outside and celebrate, woohoo!